small practical only, no need to confuse. Okay, I started recording. Okay, what is home folder? I will tell. Same diagram only, but it little different. Otherwise, I will save it and I will change something. Go to new. So then we'll do it from starting. This is a server. This is the client. Like this. Now, some users are working on a project. Okay, some there's Java users are there. Okay, or HR users are there. Like they are working on a some project. Now, what happened? I created a shared folder either in a central server because we have a only server only there, not a separate storage. Or you can create if you have a centralized storage like a NAS storage. Okay, like a centralized storage like a NAS storage. We create a folder. We share this folder to everyone. Yeah, so that is normal, right? You create a folder and you can share the folder. But last time we done a sharing folder kind of stuff, right? So this PC, we mounted a folder. Do you remember share folder mounting map network drive? Understand? Do you remember this one, map network drive? Huh? Mapping the network drive. So we store the data into the network drive. Okay, so like that map network drive we done. Okay, so this shared folder should be attached to the client PCs where the particular user is login. Automatically the shared folder must be map. Okay, so how to do this one? We have to check it. So what is the home folder? If you give or assign a home folder to some users wherever user login, home folder is maps as network drive. Okay, it is a network drive. Okay, so as a home folder, so users can store and share data. Okay, using home folder. Okay, it is also similarly practical only. So same thing. First of all, we have to create a folder. The folder name is, I put a home folder only. Folder name is home folder. Now again, you have to share home folder. Okay, share home folder. So permissions, everyone, full control, or you can use, this time I am using domain users, full control. Okay. Authenticate users, full control. So what is this? First one is, this is for a share permission. You can change it anything, no problem. Okay. Both are domain users. Both are authenticated users. Also no problem. Security. Authenticated users. So go to server. In server only we do it. Go to E drive. I'm creating a folder. Okay. Folder name is home folder. Nothing is there. So home folder, right click, properties, home folder, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions, remove everyone. I removed everyone. Add domain user. I type domain. In the list, I will select domain users. Okay. So domain users, full control. You can leave for everyone also, no problem. Okay. So we need an output here. Or we can do like we already know how to share it, but in that one we will change it like permissions, remove everyone, add a domain users. That's it. If you try, you will understand. Next, security. For security, any authenticated users, or you can say domain users also. AUTHE, authenticated users. It compared to everyone, this thing little increase security, right? Authenticated users, full control. Now under sharing, copy this network path. This is the home folder. Next, again copy this one. I put a folder name is CTS17. Okay, so this is the common shared folder. This is the specific folder for these users. This folder will be mounted. Okay, so copy this complete line. CTS17 is not yet created. Okay, CTS17 is not yet created. It's an empty one. It will be create later, not now. Same. I'm going to Devashri, profile, home folder, connect, Z drive or D drive, which drive you want it, Y drive or Z drive, which one you want it, and paste like this, along with the additional folder. Home folder is a main folder. So this is like a project 1, project 2, Java project, Python project, okay, company main data or client data, like that. You can assign it. Okay, apply. Okay. So what to do? In a server, I created a home folder. I shared it is created. See, automatically created. I shared the folder, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions for a domain users only type. Security for authenticated users, I given. Next, I went to a users and computers, open my previous user, okay, and go to profile tab, home folder, connect, and I given complete name. So like my main shared path slash a folder name. The folder name can be anything. Project 1, project 2. Now this is a C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive is there in my PC. Now what I'm going to do is I log out and log in with the other user. Home folders can be assigned to any user. Any domain users you can assign, fresh or old, we can use it. Profile data, it is, we can't deal with fresh users. Okay. Are you able to hear? Muted, not muted.
Yes.
Okay. So I given to Devashri. So then we'll go to Devashri here. Local profile, but we failed. It should be shown here. Something went wrong. That's why don't try on like this. Okay. Connect Z. Correct only. Nothing is wrong. Sometimes it will happen. So what I'm trying to do is I shared a folder. I'll change. So for testing purpose. So if in domain users also it will work. I'm removing add everyone. So less security. Everyone is a compromised security. Okay. Authenticated users of all. Refresh here also. Profile given correct only. Again sign out and sign in. If you are not getting an output, sir, don't worry about it. Thing is, just check the steps. Reverse order or first order, whatever it is, check the step. All the steps are you done correctly or not. Names are matching or not. So I can use different any name. You can use different any name, but it should be matched names. Yeah, finally you got it. This is the CTS1. Maybe the permission related issue is there. Now I got it. CTS17 is the form folder. So here you can put your own data. For example, I'm creating data. Okay. This is D1 file by. So I created a file in this one. Where it will stores, where this file is stores, under this home folder, under this folder, the file is stores. Okay. Next, if in case, if I give this path to other user, I have other user, right? Sanjiwani already logged in once. So I am going to connect. No need to change anything. Just home folder connect. Just give the path. Apply. It's showing already existing. No problem. Yes. Okay. Already given the Devashri. So I'm giving to Sanjeevani home folder connect like this. Usually it is a name itself home folder. So you should not share to multiple users. But what I'm trying to do is I am sign out and sign in with Sanjeevani and verify whether I'm getting that same fault here or not. So simply without your intention, without your user kind of stuff, without user asking like go to 100 computers and access the network share, map the network drive. It is very hard, right? But in your server, go to each and every user, give the location, home folder, shared folder location. Then almost 100 people will get it. See, it is. I log in with Sanjiwani. Home folder is mounted. So what is the content of this one? See, D1 is data is like this. Okay. For example, both are working in a same project, same want to share data. Simply copy into the home folder. Instead of store the data into local system, you can store the data into home folder. The size of the home folder is 20 GB because of my E drive in the server is 20 GB. That's why it is showing 20 GB. You can limit the space also. You can assign only 2 GB for that one. That is also we can do it, but not now. Just if you understand, that is enough. Guys, understand or not?
Yes,
So I
sir.
remove this part. Everyone I use. Understand now how to do it? So permissions, next network path //win1 home folder. So for I'm just another one win1. You can put a after folder 1, you can put a project 1, project 2 also, no problem. What I use, I am writing here. Next. Open, go to Active Directory, users and computers. Open any user. First time I use Devashri. So go to properties. Go to properties. Again, profile tab. Under profile tab, home folder. Yeah, we have to look at it. This is order, right? Profile tab, home folder, connect. Connect it to. You can use Z drive or anything. Then paste this part. That's it. So then click OK, OK kind of stuff. Clients. What to do? Sign out. Sign in with Devashri. First time. Like which user I given, that user you have to sign in. Then once it is signed, go to this PC. Check network drive. Otherwise, troubleshoot. Mostly shared folders, security type of settings, share settings, security permissions, share permissions and security settings. And next, for a Sanjiwani account. So that is with that. That's it, guys. That's it. Your roaming profile and home folder.